Every time you order clothes, groceries, or household essentials online, there's a chance one of these helped out. Inside warehouses across the world, fleets of autonomous robots are changing the way orders are picked, packed, and dispatched. Much of that technology is now being developed in China, led by companies like Geek, the world's largest supplier of autonomous mobile warehouse robots.
At the early stage, the challenge is to have the customers to recognize and believe those kind of robot technologies can really create values. But right now, what we see in the market is most of the companies in the world, they see the trend of automation and they use smart robotics to transform their logistics.
Years of investment in AI, manufacturing and robotics have helped make China a world leader. Warehouse automation has existed for decades. What's changed is that software can now coordinate hundreds of autonomous robots at the same time, and so companies can deploy them without having to build special infrastructure. In traditional warehouses, workers can end up walking very long distances to pick up orders, but with this technology, the goods come to them. There are no fixed tracks, only QR codes on the floor, and companies can stack their goods even higher with this technology than normal. And because the workers don't have to move around, they can process more orders more quickly with less errors. Automation is also spreading into more challenging areas. Some models of these driverless forklifts can carry up to 2,000 kilograms, moving heavy loads around without a driver. Major UK retailers, including Next, Tesco and Asda, are investing in the technology as they try to meet online demand efficiently. But as robots become more capable, it raises questions about the future of work. Motion Tech, which deploys Geek robots in UK warehouses, says they're helping solve one of the logistics industry's biggest problems.
I wouldn't say that it replaces jobs, because I would say that businesses need this technology in order to develop and move forward. We seem to have a big shortage of labour in the UK at the moment. And so these technologies are really important to keep businesses thriving and also meet demand.
Even these robots still have limits. They can't yet carry out many of the dexterous tasks humans perform every day. Geek is developing AI-powered humanoid robots to automate some of those jobs. China's AGI bot is going even further by deploying humanoids into factories to inspect products and sort defects. They're designed to work in human environments without factories having to redesign production lines. Those in the logistics industry say today's autonomous robots remain far more practical for moving goods around. Human-like robots may be the industry's long-term goal, but they're still some way from becoming a common sight on factory and warehouse floors.